Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and we're gonna get right into the tutorial. It's a quick one. So I've done everything to my nails and I'm coming in with Be In Your Bonnet, and then I flash cure that or full cure, either one. Since they're both clear, I just went ahead and flash cured it. And then I took Grace Kelly and put that on top. Moving on, we're taking Ideal Pink Builder, which I love this. This is what I always do under my pink and whites. And this one's a full nail of that color. And then I'm doing ombres on, or baby boomers, however you want to look at it, on the other nails. So I have a full tutorial on the baby boomers in slow-mo if you guys want to check that out. I didn't feel like this video needed that since I already have a completely separate tutorial. I am taking Marshmallow and I'm going to fade that into the Ideal Pink, and I just got an ombre brush. My tutorial is not with an ombre brush. I don't know. I'm not used to an ombre brush, so I think it's takes some getting used to. I just, use my normal brush, but I figured I'd try the ombre one more time. And then there's kind of a divot, and then I go back. I don't know. I'll get it. I'm just not there yet. So again, most of this is, baby boomers, but a little fun design. So I don't want to explain too much because I literally have a tutorial on it, but I still think it's fun. So this is the color I put all over the baby boomers, but concentrate most of it obviously on the pink. But this is what's going to give you that kind of seamless look. And you can see I drag it down almost completely to the end. And this is gonna help smooth out that top, which I definitely need because Ideal Pink is a builder, so it doesn't have self-leveling, where this one does have self-leveling. So you can just see how much smoother it gets, and it's just a harmony. So nice. And then I fix anything else in filing, which is the best part. So I also come in on that ring finger and do this as well. Again, to smooth everything out because I want a smooth surface. So, we get it together. There may be a little struggle, but it's okay. We get it. Again, I'm coming in and doing the pinky the same way I did the middle and the thumb. And you can see I kind of just like drifted off, and it's just amazing. So I am taking One Step or Cool Gel here. I don't know which one. And I'm going to build that apex. And I did this in a slower motion to kind of show you that apex I can build with the clear, which I love One Step. I feel like I use Cool Gel because I'm almost out of One Step, which I have ordered more. Don't worry. It's my favorite. Cool Gel, I struggled. You'll see in my next couple of tutorials. It's a struggle, but I get there. Anyway, so I am just going in and fixing that apex, and you can kind of see right there. So I have filed, buffed, and all that good stuff, and now I'm just adding Marshmallow and fading it up. I know I already did that, but I like to do it on top. It's just something I like. So I am taking the Born Pretty plate, and I am taking that design, which I had it flipped. It's fine. We made it. I am taking that design, and I'm going to put it on my ring finger, and I get out of frame for the actual stud that like the crystal I'm putting in. So yeah, it's okay. I literally glue a crystal in that little circle. So yeah, then I'm going to glue that down, top coat, wash my hands, let it dry, all that good stuff. So that was the entire tutorial. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and I will have a new one for you shortly. Have a great night. Bye-bye.